welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve treasure chest puzzle box. This puzzle box was designed by Joseph Kovell, and this version of it was specifically made for the Puzzle Master. You will find out why when you open it and find the Puzzle Master logo inside. The difficulty level of the treasure chest puzzle box is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle box is obviously to open it. The treasure chest puzzle box is entirely made of 3D printed parts, except for a couple of pieces that are made of metal. And the design of this puzzle box was inspired by the Legend of Zelda series. If you take a closer look at the puzzle box, you will find that it looks exactly the same from both sides, and it is difficult to understand where you have to start solving it or opening the box, since the lid has a gap on each side, but you don't know on which side you have to open it. That's what you have to figure out later. This puzzle box has quite a large compartment inside, and there is a token hidden in that compartment. You can remove the token. Also, there is a tiny compartment, second tiny compartment, which has a small message. You have to find it and read the message. If you like the treasure chest puzzle box and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle box, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle box. As I told you, there is a lid here, but you can't really open it. You don't know on which side you have to do that, and you don't have to know how to open it, since the box is opened from the bottom. This piece, as you can see, is moving a little bit, and you have to open this part. But in order to open that part, you have to take a closer look at the top part of the box. There are 3 sliders here with the yellow knobs on them. As you can see, I can move all of them a little bit. And I have to move them all the way to the right, and these 2 all the way to the left, in order to unlock the lid of the box. So how to unlock them? First, you have to unlock the one in the middle. Just flip the box upside down and move the slider to the right. Now, as you can see, there is a small arrow or triangle here. Now we can unlock 2 others. Tilt the box like this and move one of the sliders. Now tilt it the other way and move the second slider. If you can't unlock it, just move the box a little bit more and you will find how to unlock it. Now all 3 sliders are unlocked. You can open the box like this, and you can even remove this part. As I told you, there is a small token inside, and this part has a Puzzle Master logo on it. So as you can see, there is a mechanics of the puzzle hidden inside. This big part always moving in such a way that the bigger part is always on the bottom, and that's why you have to rotate the box. And there are cutouts on this side. Using these cutouts, you are able to move these sliders and eventually unlock this part. As I told you, there is another small compartment inside, and it is hidden right here below this small yellow lid. You have to slide it and then remove this tiny message. And let's see what it says. It says, "Congratulations, you found the real solution." This box has number 139, and it has a signature of the puzzle designer Joseph Kovell. Now we have to put everything back. Just make sure you put this little piece of paper very tight, otherwise you will not be able to fit it into this tiny compartment like this. Now you have to grab the yellow piece and close the compartment. I guess I can't do it from both sides. I have to do it only from one of the sides like this. And the tiny piece of paper is too large for the compartment. Now you can put it like this. The next step, to put this piece inside, and you have to do it like this, since as you can see, the lid is not the same from both sides. There is a small lip here and here, so you have to grab it the same way I hold it right now, with the cutout on the left. Now put it inside, so that this metal pin will go inside this cutout. Don't forget to put the token back inside, and now you can close the lid that is on the bottom. And now we can close all 3 sliders, rotate the box, close all of them, and then the third one, you have to flip the box upside down and lock it. All 3 sliders are locked and the puzzle is solved. That was the solution of the treasure chest puzzle box. It's a very beautiful looking puzzle box, and it has quite an interesting and unique solution. If you like the treasure chest puzzle box and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other puzzles designed by Joseph Kovell or any other puzzle boxes, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!